Velvet curtain falls, the bitter cup is swallowed down. Let the winding rivers flow, let the midnight embers burn. Though the heart is heavy prose, the pages of the day must turn.
Chair upon the porch still catches red